Hello, welcome. I'm Derek from Modern Herb Co. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our pod kits. Everything from how to start it up, fire it up, and proper storage. First step, remove the pod, peel the bottom sticker, like so. Next, remove the top, like so. Now you're ready to rock. Place it into any of our batteries. As you can see, I have a Modern Herb Co. pod with a highlights battery. All of them are interchangeable. And now you're ready to turn it on. 5 clicks on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in quick succession. And as you can see, the light will start blinking. Now we're ready to prime it. 2 clicks, 1, 2. Now it's glowing and getting ready to hit. Some things to keep in mind. We don't want to get too hot or too cold. What does that mean? Don't leave it in your car on a sunny day. You're going to degrade the battery and your pod's going to be leaking all over the place. Also, don't want to get too cold, so no putting it in the freezer. All sorts of issues. Keep it in a more cool, dry, darker place if you're going to store it. Keep it upright, and you're going to have a good time. Another great feature for our pod kits, they are all USB-C rechargeable. All right, now that you know your proper pod etiquette, let's fire this thing up. Oh, that's nice.